I thought it could be interesting to finish this vlog with a short book haul because I've recently bought some new books which I think you might find interesting. This year I decided to read books about creativity, arts, photography of course. So I have a list of books which I want to read, and I recently bought some of them. I love when the people I follow recommend me things. I love to see what movies they are watching or what books they are reading. So I thought that maybe you could be interested in these books too. So the first book is called Art Monsters by Lauren Elkin. I already started. If you notice, it's completely marked. I'm just in page 60 and I don't know, I have highlighted so many things. It's incredibly interesting. This is a book about feminist art and how feminist artists through time have explored the use of the body, questioning the traditional language used in art. What I've read so far is how the artists of the 70s used the abject as a way to challenge the established ideas of femininity. And it's super interesting and super enlightening. I'm learning a lot. I feel kind of ignorant about these subjects, so I'm learning so much. So if you are interested in this kind of topics, at least for now, I recommend it. This is the first book. The second book I bought is called Understanding a Photograph by John Berger. This is a very popular book among photographers. Probably you have already read it. If you have, please let me know if you like it. This is a collection of essays in which he analyzes the work of different photographers. He talks a lot about the power of photography and how it constructs narratives, which I'm very interested about. So I hope I enjoy it. I will let you know my thoughts about all of the books. The next book is this one, The Situation and the Story by Vivian Gornick. I was influenced by a TikTok. I bought this book because I saw this TikTok of a girl talking about this book, and I don't know, it caught my attention. It's a series of essays about personal narratives in literature. Lately, I'm very into self-portraits, and also I think that the process of recording myself for this YouTube channel has made me feel very interested about the idea of personal narratives, about personal diaries, about personal memoirs, etc., etc. So I thought that these reflections about personal narratives in literature could apply to self-portraits and also this YouTube thing too. I don't know. I will let you know what I think about it. And finally, I bought this book, which I'm very excited to read, A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man. And this is by James Joyce. And I bought this book because I live in Trieste now, and James Joyce lived in this city for a long time. And maybe I'm going to move to another city this year. And I thought it was important to read a James Joyce book while I'm living here. But I chose this book specifically because it's an autobiographical story which narrates a story of coming of age and of an artist, of course. So I thought it could be an interesting and probably inspiring story to read. And those are the books I bought this time. I think in the end of the year I'm going to make a video about all of the books that I'm going to read through the year. So I'm definitely going to let you know which books I like the most, which ones help me in which way, etc., etc. Please, if you have any book recommendations about photography, arts, creativity, biographies of artists or diaries, etc., etc., please let me know. I already have a reading list, but I would love to add more titles to that list. That's it. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to subscribe if you are liking my channel. And yeah, as always, let me know in the comments your opinions about anything and everything. I love to read you. Even if I don't reply all the time, I always read you. Alright? So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.